Well, yeah, you thought I messed up, didn't you? You thought I shit the bed and that's all I bought. No, I didn't, so don't worry, it's coming. Yes. Honestly, it's like Christmas. Like, this feeling is honestly so awesome. It's nothing quite like it. Alrighty, let's do it. 3, 2, 1. Guess who's back? Back again. Shauna's back. Tell a friend. What's going on, guys? I am back. That's right, I'm back with another part reveal for the R34 Skyline. You guys didn't believe me, did you? You didn't believe me. I told you guys I was gonna be ordering some parts for the Skyline. So I've just had another one turned up, another piece to the puzzle for the body kit. Now look, like I've said before, these parts aren't cheap. I'm having to sell everything that I can find in the house to bloody pay for these parts. But I've got a pretty cool reveal for you guys. Now I know what you're thinking, oh, this idiot, he's back again with his bloody garage reveal. You know what, I'm trying to add a bit of suspense, right, to my videos and make it a little bit more interesting for you guys. So yes, I'm back with the garage reveal. Right behind me is the brand new part. What do you reckon? Should we open up this door, see what's behind? Yeah, why not? I won't leave you guys in too much suspense. Let's do it. Alrighty, let's do it. 3, 2, 1. Alrighty, there she is, guys. Can you take a guess what it is? What do you think it looks like? So I spent about, I think it was $750 on this brand new part for the Skyline. These things don't come cheap. Alrighty, let's get her out and then unwrap it. It's like Christmas came early. Like, this is always a pretty cool feeling, unboxing new parts, you know, for your project car, for whatever car it may be. If you're a guy, if you're a car enthusiast, you know what this feeling is like. It's a pretty cool feeling, unwrapping some new car parts and just wanting to fit them on your new car. And this is a pretty exciting moment for me, buying these new parts and piecing together the R34 Skyline. So it has been a long time coming, and we are here now with another new part, and I'm pretty excited. So let's go do it. Wrap pretty well. I don't think we can actually get in. That's solid. There we go. I think you guys can probably tell it is a front bumper, a GTR front bumper. How good does that vent look there? There's a little sneak peek for you. Alrighty, so it looks pretty well packaged. This is what we're talking about. Now this honestly feels like Christmas. Just unwrapping new parts. All you car guys out there will know what this feeling really is like. Honestly, it's just so awesome. It is a really exciting feeling. You spend so much money on these parts for it to arrive for your project car, and you just want to go ahead and fit it, see what it looks like. Honestly, it's such a good feeling. But we're looking pretty good so far, well wrapped. So coming all the way over from Japan. I think you guys can get a pretty good look at it. Now it's R34 GTR bumper. Now this is what we're talking about. We're not going with the GTT stuff. We're going all out with the GTR kit. Oh man, it looks so good. Can't wait to test fit it, see what it looks like. Oh. Get all this out of the way. Guys, like I said before, yeah, don't let her. Get this out of here. So here it is, guys. My new R34 GTR bumper. So I think this is the E-Spare version is what they call this. So obviously you got the big vent here for the intercooler. I might go with the sort of GTR or Nismo style badge. And this vent here, that's what I did on my last Skyline, my R34. And it looked really good. Sort of fills out this bit here. And it's a really cool feature on that one. With this bumper, it is going to take quite a bit of work to make it fit. All of this stuff for the R34 GTR isn't really straight bolt on. For an R34 GTT, they do require quite a bit of work. Now with this one, I'm going to need a bracket, a few different brackets actually across the front there to make it fit. Now I know what you might be thinking, this looks like it's missing something, and you're right. It is missing a piece of the bumper. This isn't the full bumper. But yeah, that's why I've got another surprise in store for you guys. So there is a piece missing to this bumper. There is a piece that comes down here that is sort of like a front splitter. Let's go chuck it on, see what it looks like. The moment of truth. Sweet, so like I said, yeah, this isn't probably gonna fit overly well. This bracket, I need to get a new one that sort of fits across here. So this top piece here sits in line with the hood. And then yeah, gonna require quite a bit of cutting on the inside because of the piping of the intercooler, I'm pretty sure. But let's go here, chuck it on. It's sort of a first impression, a first look at it. Yeah, see, it's not gonna quite sit there. And then yeah, the intercooler piping is rubbing on that part there. So yeah, this is gonna require quite a bit of work, guys. I don't even think it will sit there for me. It just is, this intercooler piping is in the way. You know, if you guys can imagine, use your imagination, you know, think hard, look at it, just coming together. I mean, that looks pretty nice, right? To go with the hood and the GTR bumper. Shit, it's slowly coming together. Now we actually have a front bumper for it. You can actually kind of see the car looking pretty complete. Now, there are a few different styles for this, for the GTR and the GTT bumper, but this is hands down like the best bumper for the R34. Love these grille here on the side, it's just really aggressive. But yeah, hopefully we can get that to line up and sit all right. But yeah, she's gonna take quite a bit of work, guys. But there's the first look at it. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below about my choice for front bumper. There actually is a piece missing down here, if you guys are wondering. I have ordered that splitter. That will be in another video, but there's a piece that comes down here and fills out the bumper, so it should sort of sit around it down here. So don't worry, this isn't the full bumper. There is another part, another piece to it on the way. Yeah, you thought I messed up, didn't you? You thought I shit the bed and that's all I bought. No, I didn't, so don't worry, it's coming. Yeah, unfortunately, guys, yeah, she's not gonna really sort of sit there. Gonna probably take a lot of time, a lot of sweat and a lot of hours to be able to make that fit, but you can kind of see the car coming together, and there's the front bumper there. Shit, how good. I'm pretty stoked with it. Yeah, this is gonna look so sick once it's all done. But we're a bit way off that, but yeah. Let me know in the comments below what you guys thought of my choice for the R34 front bumper. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. I've got more parts on the way. Don't you worry, there are gonna be some more part reveal videos coming up shortly. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this bumper. Let me know in the comments below what you thought, if I made the right choice, if I didn't. Hopefully you guys like the one that I picked. Hopefully you guys are enjoying my content. If you want to see what's next for the R34 Skyline, click on this video here and we'll see you there.